Okay, there he is, in the window again. Went under the bed.
खराबी दिख रहा भाई इधर आ रहे भाई इधर आ रहा इधर आ रहा इधर भाग 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 हो तो भाग रहे हो तो भाग चल चल चल
Hi. I got this in it. Can you open your... Please?
No, you guys need to find your house and stay there.
We don't have a home. Our parents are 6 feet under.
Oh boy.
こっち見て。イェイ。
Keith! Get up here! Get away from him! Come on, guys! You okay?
So we just like never set the time. So she just took a picture and she says, "Mommy, look, there's a man in the photo." I said, "What?" She said, "There's a man in my photo." And I went like that real quick. Like this just happened just like 5 minutes ago. Like no one else is here, it's just us. Like I'm gonna have to change the date and time so I can get more pictures for y'all, but look at that.
This bird is chasing me. What do you want from me? What does it want from me, guys? What does it want? Guys! What? Oh, there's another one! What is going on? What do you want?
I think I see a raccoon. Or a person.
A raccoon. Are you a raccoon or a person? Hello.
That's interesting.
Whoa, that's... I've seen this before.
Bom dia, flor do dia.
Oye, 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 en la cámara, oye, en la cámara acaba de pasar ahorita una niña corriendo. Oye, la niña que llora. Oye, te juro que en la cámara acaba de pasar ahorita corriendo, una niña. Oye, ha corrido hacia acá. Oye, te juro que ha pasado ahorita una niña corriendo. Ahorita mira, te voy a hacer el video.
All the cars being red.
That's nuts. I don't like that.
I feel fucking creeped out, mother. Oh
my god!
You don't want to make a deal with the devil.
Oh, you're...
You're the guy who's been under my bed.
Remember, they stand behind me, I protect them.
How about
They
we
stand next to me, I defend them.
Are you
Stand
talking about
against
her?
me, I show no mercy.
I'm so sorry. This bump.
Yo, you want to see something crazy? Give me just a second. Lily E. Gray, victim of the beast 666. That's here at the Salt Lake City Cemetery.
Cheese. Cheese. What you doing? What you see? What? What you see? Who are you saying hi to? Who are you saying hi to? Dude, you need to stop that. You're freaking me out. Come on.
Just got back inside the house. I was putting my daughter on the bus. And I came in, nobody else is here, and I'm hearing something on our basement stair. Right there. I'm gonna check it out. Stop. Hello?